Hi, minasan, konnichiwa. Yeah, so I'll begin the Hiragana side lesson now. Yeah, if you followed my second post, you would, I mentioned that there are characters in the Hiragana that are different from their computer counterparts. So basically there are three. Let's start with ki. Okay, on the computer, ki would look like this. Okay, but if you have to write it, it would be like this. So basically, one stroke, two strokes, third stroke down, and then from left to right. 簡単でしょ? The next one is sa. It's very similar to ki when it's written on the computer. Yeah, so when you write it on paper, it is like this. So basically, it's just an X, and then you go from left to right. And finally, you have fu. On the computer, it will be written like this. Okay. If you have to write it on paper, it will be like this. So, yeah, one stroke, two strokes, and then one wing on each side. Okay, for the next part, I would like to show you all how to write some characters that are a little difficult, or I would say the most difficult characters in Hiragana. So let's begin with N. Okay. So one stroke, two strokes. It's just a hook. You need to practice. The next one is ne. Okay. Again, it's two strokes. Okay. Next is re, which is very similar to ne. So pay attention. The difference, if you can see, is here. One stroke, two strokes. Okay, so we move on to me. Okay, again it's two strokes. One, two. Okay, and finally we have wa. Wa is my favorite character to write. It's just a 3 and a line straight down. So 1, 2. Okay, that concludes this lesson. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. And if you want a copy of how to write these characters, I will send them to you by email. では、このレッスンここまでは終了です。皆さんごきげんよう。